Assalaamu calaykum subax wanaagsan asxaabta iska warama fiicantiin caafimaadkiina waxaa idin rajaynayaa khayr badan idinkii reerihiinaba saaka barafkii baa bilaabmay oo noo da-aya shaqo ma jirto lama baxayo wadinka arkaya siduu u buuxiyey gaadhiyaashii lama bixi karo wadooyinka way xidhan yihiin dadka guryahay wada fadhiyaan marka aniga inankayga yaraa waxaanu iska dhiganaynaa casharkii guriga dhexdiisa waayo ilmuhu dee 24 hours kuma TV ma hor fadhii karo marka waa inaan ka faa'iidaysano maalmaha sidaas oo kale casharka carruurta guriga ugu dhigno assalaamu calaykum subax wanaagsan maanta snowgii baa noo da-aya inankaygii aniguna waxaan dhiganaynaa readingkii waayo iskuul ma jiro maanta guryaha la fadhiyaa marka wuxuu yidhi inankaygu maanta waxaan akhrinayaa
Okay, let's start. Lesson. Blend, scram, scrap, scrap, scratch, scream, screech, skrill, scribble, scrub.
kama mobilka soo qabtay mikrofoonka
Shred, shrill, shwed, shwick, shrimp, shrink, shrivel, shrub,
shrub
shrug, shrug,
yes and SPL
splash, splat, splatter, play, splend,
good
splendid,
spleen
splendid, splendor, splinter,
splinter
split,
good job
spren,
spring
spring, sproul, sproul,
mikrofoonka
sprawl, speed, speed.
spread
No, it is speed.
it's spread
You say this is
spread yes correct
speed.
hey soo qabso mikrofoonka
That okay. Speed. Mine was sprayed.
yes
Was spree. Was sprig. Spring. Was sprinkle. Sprint. Sprout.
good job
Strangle. Strap.
strangle yeah
Don't say anything.
yeah you sorry
Stray. Street. Stretch. Stretch. Strict. Strimp. Strip. Struggle. Strut. Thread. Threater. Three. Thrill. Thrower. Throut. Thrown. Throw. Thrum. Threw.
through good job
That's all.
lahada hayda
So today I finished all of my work. Did you do this work? Wait. Did you do this work? In a minute. Just wait.
Murad he read all his reading and now we're gonna do writing
No, we're gonna do.
you're gonna do what
We're gonna do another page.
another page of reading
Another page here.
can you flip the page
Okay.
again it's chur
Yeah, turn. Turn.
yeah
Chew,
T-U-R-E spell it can you spell
I said don't talk.
it you read
Chur. Future, natural, capture, picture, fixture, creature, feature, puncher, pincher, muster, pastor, poster, stature,
mikrofoonka ku dhaweeyo
stature, adventure,
adventure
adventure. That is in my game.
oh
Like the sing of the bear. Get on him. Daffy.
Yeah.
Daffy.
What's that? Matiba misawa A. Matriba misawa apple. Which one do you want to circle?
Okay, circle for
waxaan
what?
geedka de matriba matiba misawa A.
What?
Dahay T the circle. T the circle. Circle the T. Yes.
T, huh? This is
Ma mitten ba misawa.
smitten.
Yes.
Well, star. Spider is space. Money.
Astronaut.
Astronaut. T.
Waa money ba waxaas. Why T those circles? What do you see?
There is T. This is A.
Mayana waxaan ku hor yaalla picture-ka waa maxay?
Well, money.
Dee waayo markaa T da u haysa.
What T?
You need to correct. Matani ba mise waa money? Which one is correct?
Tan egg. This is S and what S. So this is M, what M. So this is T for T. S.
I don't think. This is money. It's M, not T.
There is no more T. Egg.
Are they? Just you are matching the right one. Flip the next page.
This is the T. My you know the marka ciyaari Wesley give him the box.
Haye,
Then when I give him the box,
shaqeed hay. You need to answer that.
I have to color.
It says hunt. Hunt. Where is the D? Make connection. Let me show you.
My
The hay D so some.
I have to circle. Now why did I have to circle?
It doesn't say circle.
D D D D D D D.
Haye kasina. The under. Donut is for what?
Donut.
Then.
Dolphin. Table.
No, it's not D. Table. Uh-oh. Table is not starting D. And Ben is not starting D. Dress.
I did already. Okay, I did two page.
Okay.
I did two page.
We're gonna check that.
I said
Wow.
I did two page already.
Hey, free but hey, what? No, channel.
It is find octopus. Oct. Even over here. Over here. Over here. No more O. Octopus. Zebra, man. What? This is bird.
That's flamingo.
Flamingo.
And that's snake. What's this?
That
Ox?
yuck.
Yuck, vad är det?
Mine, that's ox, I think.
Kana?
What ox?
Kana?
Tan ma garanayo.
Even me, I don't know.
Okay, this last one
Waa
this.
G, letter G kana?
Okay, the last one this, okay?
Hay. G. Color the gumballs.
I wanna color it.
G, only G.
How the reptile. Her reptile.
Xayawaanka badda ku jira ma?
That's correct. Reptile.
Mhm.
Mine waxa way turtle. Reptile.
Bless you. Bless you. الله يحفظك ويحميك. آمين داوي. يرحمك الله. يرحمك الله. يرحمك الله maxaa la dhahaa English? English maxaa la dhahaa يرحمك الله?
Bless you.
فريد. Gumballs baa waxaan kalaranaysid. يرحمك الله. Bless you. Yeah. Then hoos buu dhaadhacaysaa. Waa dhamaysa maha G-dii. You will go down.
Glasses.
Yes. Correct.
Goat.
Correct.
Dog.
No.
G.
Guitar.
Guitar.
Yeah. Gloves. Gloves.
Glasses.
Yeah. Mitten and gloves are the same. What's that?
Bow? I think I don't know.
I don't know that one.
Okay, I finished the last page. That's all.
That's all ما dhamaysa buugga khalaas. Thank you Murad.
I did 5 page. I mean 6 page.
Mhm. Are you proud of yourself?
Huh?
Ma dhamaysa ma? Are you happy?
Huh?
Xagaasta seexanaysaa marka?
By myself. What? Ma arima dirisa.
May. Just waan hagaajinaya markaan hagaajinayaan ee dadka tusay.
Maxaa dirisa?
Waa kaa duubaya dee maad arkayn.
Maxaa iyo nasir. Waxaad duubisay Irina, you said beerka batiisay.
Way arki dee ha. Videoga markaan soo dhiga halkaa way arki maaha.
Ma dhaafisay.
Maxaad ku odhantaa?
Xaawo nasir. Okay, everybody, I finished all of my work, 6 pages. Today I'm sick a little bit, but I'm going somewhere. We're gonna build snowman. Then can we build snowman? Mine. I wanna build like next to the trees.
Big snowman
My like feeling kakada anakusho getting. Wait, let me show you the snowman. YouTube. Okay, wait. No. There is the snowman. What? Here is the snow that I want to build. What?
The end of today's session. See you next video.